במשך 4 מערכות בחירות אנחנו מתבוננים בעיניים כלות.
During the last 4 election rounds, we have seen a country weakening itself, damaging itself, and losing its ability to function. Ministers are fighting with each other. They don't manage anything. Riots, burning of synagogues in Lod and Acre, lethal negligence in Meron. Instead of managing and leading, the usual way is to turn the fire out and to disperse hatred and polarization between people in the country in order to cover for our failure. Some tell us that there's a right-wing coalition just around the corner, and only us, the Yamina party, are preventing it from forming. This is an absolute lie. There's no probability for a right-wing coalition. 4 election rounds plus 2 months have proven to us that there's no right-wing coalition headed by Netanyahu. It's either 5th elections or a unity government. I announced today that I intend to act with all my strength in order to form a unity government with my friend Yair Lapid. This government can only function if we work together as a group. Not me, but we.